I'm Jagir. Today we're going to cover Avalanche, aka AVAX, AVAX. We're going to use TradingView to do some technical analysis, come into Fibonacci ratios combined with Elliot wave theory to give us a really clear picture on what's likely to occur next when it comes to Avalanche. Really strong blockchain project under the radar. There's got some good development happening over there. But we're going to look at it totally from a technical standpoint. Technicals. You thinking who I am? Do you know who I am yet? My name is Jagir. I am the award-winning author of my book, which is somewhere behind my back, called The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. I was also featured in the best-selling book in 2008 called High Probability Trading Strategies. I've been trading currencies for over 15 years, and now I'm bringing that knowledge to cryptocurrency so we can get a better idea of what the markets are doing. So let's just have a look. Now, let's keep it really simple. It's a daily chart with AVAX or Avalanche, and what we can clearly see here, what looks like a wave one, it's unfolded nicely. It's made some good moves, and if you managed to get in, January 2021, it's gone from, $3.5 to like $50. Wow, that's like 10-15x. Beautiful. And back then it's done a nice retracement back down to as low as $20. So it's good to see what's likely to occur next. So this is a textbook A, B, C. So let's just draw that out. Let's use this tool over here. Hopefully you're getting familiar with these now, that you're seeing and getting confidence with Elliot wave and Fibonacci theory, because a lot of people don't have confidence with it, and it just comes with practice. When you see it, when you got enough experience, like with anything in life, it just becomes more and more obvious. So we're going to do a few price retracements. First one, a wave one to wave. Yeah, we're going to do typically a 50% retracement is for a wave two. So 50% tends to be the minimum. Then the next one is 62, and the maximum tends to be 78.6. So it tends to come down to the 62 very, very nicely. So let's leave that one there for clarity. Then we're going to do an alternate price projection, meaning we're going to measure this wave A, what looks like a wave A, and we're going to project it forward from this wave B high. What's the typical? With the absolute minimum, which it seems that it's going to be, is 62%. And then 100% tends to be the most common. But it looks like we're closer to the 62. Then we're going to do one last projection called external retracement. Here we take the wave A low to the wave B high, and there's two key measurements that we want. Fibonacci ratios 1.618. You can see it's bang in the middle, and then the other one is 1.272, which is that right? Oh, there you go. This one's down here. So this one is bang on the, what is that number again? 68. Oh yeah, 68% retracement. Is that right? Yeah, that was. Oh yeah, sorry, that was the price extension from the wave A. Yeah. So we want this one. Perfect. Yeah, it's overlapped perfectly. So we're in this range, right? We're in this nice range. Now you can tell this is really overextended. This is more of a complex, well, it's kind of a complex correction in terms of time. But what we can also do is the wave C time, and how long it takes a wave C to form, is often the same or similar to a wave A, even though the price in this case is different. So let's just do a quick time extension where we take this time from here to here, and we project it forward from this wave B high. And you can see it's in this zone. So if we didn't have this data, I would normally draw a rectangle and it will look something like this and kind of go, look, we're expecting a low here, and it's hit this, and it's gone over this high. So that's our first indication that this low is confirmed, but we really want this low to be taken out. But it looks good. It looks good for a long position because it's gone up, it's gone down, so we've got a correction. So we're going to look at two more things here. One, on the larger degree time frame, what's likely to happen with Avalanche from a psychological standpoint. Elliot wave Fibonacci, we take it's high to the low, and we're going to project forward in time, ahead of time. It's called a leading indicator. I'm actually going to move this here just so we get it, so it's really clear that we're looking ahead of time. And the two numbers that I want, a typical wave 3 is 1.618 and a maximum of 6.618, 2.618, should I say. And these are, let's have a look. Wow, there we go. 112. So what's that? That's a 400%. All right, we're expecting a 400% from today's price. 400%. But more often than not, crypto overextends, and we'll see that unfold to 170 possibly. $170. What's that? 5, 6. Yeah, 600%. That's not bad. It's not bad. If you're long in this, then I would stay patient to at least hit this price target over here, but let it unfold. You want to see a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let it unfold and see what happens. If you're looking to go long in this, what is a potential opportunity? Well, let's now zoom into this section. I'm just going to jump quickly into a 4-hour chart where every bar represents 4 hours. If my Wi-Fi doesn't die on me, all right, let's connect it back up. Come on, Wi-Fi, don't let me down now. All right, let's see. Come on, Wi-Fi. Here's the problem with Wi-Fi, right? Oh, here we go. It's gonna start nagging at Virgin Media, right? Okay, here we go. So let's just delete everything now. So we've got a really clean chart. We're just now looking at this part here and this part here. So what does this look like to you? To me, on a lesser degree, it looks like a very clean wave 1. And then some type of wave 2 forming. But let's just do a quick projection. Here you can count as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really clean. It's very common that this occurs. Now we went to this low to this high. I mean, typical. Have a guess. What's the typical retracement for the initial correction of a wave 2? You got it? Right, you should know by now. It's 50%. It's bang on 50% at the moment. And 62 is also a key number, and 78.6 tends to be the maximum. Time typical is, we should have a clean, really, because these are really obvious highs and lows. Typical is 50%. Let's see if I get that. Did I get it? Yeah, I got it. Bang. So this is 100%. We want 50%. 50%. All right, so now what this tells us, what this tells me, is wave A is either breaks down to 5 waves, but sometimes it breaks down to 3 waves. So I don't think this is the ABC, a finish of an ABC, because we haven't quite got to this time projection unless we take out this wave 1 high. So I would always wait, even though we've hit the 50% price target, we haven't hit the time target, and it's quite far away. So I would wait until closer to the 14th of May, which is tomorrow, remembering that we're on a 4-hour chart. So let me just have a think for a second. Yeah, that doesn't look like an A, B, C. Yeah. My guess, unless we take out this high, it's still we need some more data. I don't like to enter wave 2 lows until 50% has been reached. So it might be an A, B, and then a wave C forming. Yeah, but here might be a good time. This zone over here, if it comes, or if it takes out this high, then we need to look at a new entry point. Now remember, one of the key things with investing, especially when you use Elliot wave theory and Fibonacci, is to be patient. And you're looking for ideal high probability setups where ideally you want pattern, time, price, and momentum in your favor. So here, just looking, it might end up being because it's quite a clean ABC. It's just that it's not hitting the time. How far are we off? What is this? The 10th of May, 14th of May. Yeah, it's got a candle reversal as well. So yeah, no. So we're just gonna give it a few more days. Let's see how this unfolds, because it might make an AB and a following wave C. And if that does, so you want to be patient. Very key actually. So my estimate, again, it's a bit, this is one of the challenges with Elliott wave. You have to kind of make decisions, and sometimes in foresight, because we're doing leading indicators, it's not so obvious. But I'm, based on my experience, this is a very important time retracement. I would let you go A, B, or B thereabouts. Might go on a bit longer, and then a final wave C. But let's see how it unfolds. If this high gets taken out, then this will be a wave C low. So this number here is going to be quite key. But again, there might be better setups in other positions before we can go along. So there you have it. Avalanche, you now know where you are. Here are a wave 1, a wave 2. Let's jump back into a daily chart. There we go. A nice wave 1, what looks like a wave 2, and then a micro on a lesser degree, a 1, 2, looks like forming a potential good entry point for a 4, 5, 600%. And if you do it with leverage, you can get even more. So there you go. If you like today's video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you haven't watched my masterclass yet, my crypto masterclass, How to Fund Your Retirement, is in the link below. It's free. It's free, and I'm looking for your feedback. Give me comments. Let me know what coins you want me to look at. Let me show you tell me what you're finding most valuable and what you want me to do more of and what you want me to do less of. Do you want longer videos, shorter videos? you let me know, and I will hopefully be able to put that together for you. All right, I will see you soon in one of my future videos.